Hey everybody, 2 here. Welcome, welcome, welcome if you are new to the channel, and welcome back if you are returning. Cheers everybody! All aboard the Polar Express. Your family will remember this magical round-trip journey to the North Pole aboard the historic Durango and Silverton Railroad on the Polar Express. This holiday train ride is a family tradition for many and great fun for kids of all ages and adults. Wear your PJs, listen to the story, drink hot chocolate, sing Christmas carols, and receive the first gift of Christmas from Santa. To board the Polar Express.
Welcome to the Polar Express. Merry Christmas.
Everyone comes home on the night of Christmas. He's on his way. One is slaying the dragon and one is dragging the sleigh. See, there's some elves.
Got a light on it. You must have got that for Christmas.
Yes, I did. I was a good girl.
You got it.
Thank you for your time and watching today. There's still time. You can greatly help support the channel by clicking subscribe and like, and tell a friend. Thanks so much for your support.